Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today's the 14th of August 2014. We're going to be looking at CFD's gold SPX500 US30 GER30 US oil US dollar index on the daily chart with the Elliott wave analysis. Before we start, please go through the disclaimer, stop and read at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Okay, fine, so let's go to the charts. Okay, here we have gold. This is our alternative count. Let's just go to the main count right now, and then we can follow that through. The larger wave degree, as you can see right where we are, we're taking the low down here of the primary one. That's red and in brackets at the low of 30th of December 2013, and the high of the two is completed on 18th of March 2014. Now when a wave 3 down, our substructures is the intermediate, that's green and in brackets. The one is at the low of 3rd of June 2014, and the high is of 2 at 11th of July 2014. We're breaking that structure down, and we've come to the minor, that's 1, 2, that's pink, and now we're looking for its wave 3 to come down. We've broken that down a little bit further. We can actually move that one down to here, and that wave 2 is up top there. So what we're looking for now, the minute degree, that's blue, Roman numbers, and in a circle for it to come down. We've got an entry at 1307.56, which has triggered off. We're not in a positive territory. We're minus 17 pounds right now. Stop level is at the high here at 13196, and just move that one up top there too. So we've got those trades set up at this particular high. That's right. So we've got another entry down here at 1278.56, and profit targets at 1225.14 and 1192.81. Okay, that's the main count. If we go to the alternative count, we can actually see not much change. We're in that ABC, that triangular kind of position. There's A, B, C, D, E. We need the price to go up and then come down. But as you can see on the main count, we're just looking for the movement down. Right, so we're basically looking for the movement down, as I mentioned to you. But of course, we need price to go back up to complete the E and then go all the way down. Okay, let's move to the SPX500, one of the S&P 500, one of our favorite kind of instruments that we trade. As you can see, the larger wave degree is the primary, that's red in brackets. The wave 4 completed on 9th of October 2013. So we're in the wave 5 position. It's 5 structures of subwaves, 1, 2. Wave 3, we're in transition of the wave 3 right now, and its substructures is a minor 1, 2, and we're looking for the wave 3 to be completed. You got a very strong confluence area at 2075. That's the wave 3 completion at the 100%, but also the 127 mark for the larger wave pattern is around there. So bear with me. Yeah, the larger wave degree of the intermediate 161 level completes at 2133, but in this confluence area you see the 100% of the wave 3 of the minor, which is the subwave of the intermediate, will also finish around the area where the 127 mark of the Fibonacci is. So that seems to be a very strong area for us to take our profits. We have our entry at 1969.6. Stop level is at this level, which is 1885.3, We've taken it on a wave 3 to go up, and we'll be happy just to take our trades out here. Okay, fine. So what we'll do now, we'll move to the US30. US30, what we'll do, we've been thinking that we're in an ending diagonal and on the wave 5 position of the primary, which is the smaller wave of the wave 3 of the cycle degree. So what I've done, this is the cycle degree, which is the largest wave that we have right now. That's black in Roman numbers. Its substructure is the primary red in circles, and the intermediate, that's green and in brackets. And as you can see, this area here, 127 mark, 1829 on. Yeah, I put that as a very strong area for us to be able to be looking for things to occur in that area. And let's just make that a little bit bigger for you, so you can see, look, this is where we're probably thinking the price could end up. But what I've taken, we've had this 2 to 4 here, but carried it all the way through that particular level. What we need to see, we need to see price move up. And if we move that to that area, that would be interesting to see price to break through up here and then complete all the way down. So that's what we're looking for right now. How it's going to pan out, let's just see accordingly. Okay, fine. Let's move to the alternative count. Alternative count probably looks a little bit more fluid for our thoughts. Once again, in the wave 5 position of the primary, which is the subwave of the cycle degree. There we have its subwaves of the primary, the intermediate, that's green in brackets. Notice where we've got our 161.8 level, and that's marked off very close to the same location of the primary, of the minor wave ending 3. I'll mark that off. Okay, so what I've done, 100%, we've got an entry, our entry here at 16652, stop level down at 16117. Our target is 17490. That's at the 100% level, just a little bit above the 100% level for the minor wave. But if you look at this area here, 1810 or 18150, that area seems to be a very tasty place. You see the confluence of the 161 of the minor wave 3 and the 161 of the intermediate wave 3. So this area could be very, very positive to carry on going with the trade and come out of the trade. Is price going to go up there? Possibly. It could possibly, but we just want to take our money and get out. Okay, let's now look at the German 30 GER30. We've got an entry at 92.62 and the stop at 88.22. Profit targets 10094 and second target is 10695. We're looking from the larger wave degree. So if we look at this structure, we can see the large wave degree is the cycle. That's black in the Roman numbers. It's wave 5, the wave 3 complete there at the 127 mark. The wave 3 of the primary, then wave 4. Wave 4 is going to knock us all the way down to that level, and probably we're in that wave 5 position now to complete this particular trade. And everything would, if we open it up, you can see a little bit better where do we stand in this. So it's looking very, very lucrative for us right now. Let's move to the US oil. US oil, what's standing for us on this larger wave degree pattern? As you can see, we're in the intermediate. There's 1, there's 2, and wave 3 hasn't completed its substructure. Can you see the 1, 2, wave 2 of the minor? We've taken one entry at 97.48. Second entry has been kicked in at 94.78. Now that's at the 78.6 level. We've got to stop all the way down at 89.41 for both trades. And what we're looking for the price now to go up to complete that minor wave. As you can see, we've got various targets. 100% level at 110.96 and 107.50. Of course, as we move our wave 2 down, the actual price goes also down. But hey, we'll be happy accordingly. Okay, fine. And last but not least is the US dollar index. As you can see, we're in a wave 3. Wave of the primary, wave 2 completed at the low here on 1st of July 2014, and we've taken an entry at 105.42, 24 pips in the money right now, and that would be okay for us, but we need to have a little bit more movement upwards. As the US dollar is the basket of currencies, and we save in terms of having multiple trades and just keep it on the US dollar. Okay, fine. So I am ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank you.